Welcome, everyone! In this video, we will be guiding you through the tax inspections use case using DataSnipper. In the tax inspections use case, we'll be inspecting various tax documents, such as taxpayer certifications, where we want to ensure that the various key information is mentioned correctly. We want to avoid manual typing and allow for an efficient review process by using DataSnipper. We'll start off by obtaining the relevant documents and importing them into DataSnipper, where through snipping we can very quickly extract the necessary information. These objects for inspection can be verified either through the validation snip or exception snip, which we will showcase in this file. To get started with DataSnipper, we'll navigate to the DataSnipper tab, and we'll simply use the Import Documents button to import any files that we may like. We can import all different types of files, and currently we'll be importing PDFs. Upon import, the files will appear on the right-hand side in the document viewer. Using the drop-down, we can quickly and efficiently navigate to the respective files. DataSnipper is capable of processing all different types of files, even scanned documents and handwritten documents, which through the OCR can be recognized and therefore extracted as well. Simply select the cell in which you want to input the details, and through the text snip, you're capable of extracting any piece of information you'd like, which will be linked directly to the relevant cell. We'll simply proceed by bringing in all the other data fields by snipping continuously, as DataSnipper will automatically reference the next available cell on the right-hand side and move across your workbook, allowing us to very quickly and efficiently bring in the information we need. Besides bringing in data elements, we can also very quickly assess data objects or other aspects, such as signatures. Whenever the signature would be in line with our expectations, we can use the validation snip. In the event that the signature is not in line with our expectation, we can use the exception snip, which doesn't bring in the information in itself, but simply reference the location by including a green tick mark or a red X. As you can see, the dates can also be brought in and will be automatically formatted into the local settings of your laptop, making sure that dates are presented accordingly. As we've now extracted all the information using DataSnipper, each individual file is referenced, allowing for an efficient review. To proceed with the next file, we will simply click on the next document in the drop-down in the document viewer, and we'll proceed with our snipping, where again we can very quickly and efficiently bring in any piece of information we need. But let's say we might also want to take a closer look at any of the information we'd like to search for. By hovering over a cell and selecting the search button, we can quickly search for it, or we can type in any information we'd like, where those results will be highlighted in yellow on the document viewer, making the file searchable and very efficient for you to find any aspect you might need. Thank you for watching this video. Happy snipping!